Hi people, so in this video I'll be showing you some of the items I like to use in my cakes. First is this Hollandia yogurt, and next is 3 crowns evaporated milk. I use it when I want to make my chocolate sauces for my chocolate batter. These two milks go hand in hand. I can still use other milks, but these are my go-to milks that I always like to grab because 3 crown on the other hand is less expensive and it gives me the results that I want. In as much as I can use other ones, but I just like to put my hands on these ones. Guys, next is my Oreo cookies. Since I found out that these cookies come in small sizes, it's really been good to me. Next, this is the kind of flavor I use. This flavor is most common in area where I live. And next, this is peak milk. First is full cream milk. You can see the level has a golden stripe, and next is evaporated milk. It has a blue stripe. So guys, these two milks are okay. And next is my 501. This 501 is an OG. I've been using it since time immemorial. I use it to soak up my fruit cakes. This is me. I added my fruit cake to the bowl and I am pouring the 501 into it. With this, you can store your fruits for up to a year or even more. And next is my golden syrup. This golden syrup is a game changer. It's a homemade syrup. I made it by myself, guys. Whenever I add this syrup to my cake, it takes my cake to another level. And I don't miss to add it because it increases and improves the moistness of my cake recipes. It is brown, so I do not add it to my white vanilla cakes. I only use it on cakes that are colored, maybe brown cakes, red cakes, black cakes, but I do not add this particular color of syrup to my vanilla cake. I have another syrup that I add to my vanilla cake. It increases and improves the moistness of your cake, and it increases or improves the taste. Guys, look at me. Every drop is important. This golden syrup is a secret recipe, and I love it. This is where I'm adding it to my cake. I'm measuring it according to the amount of my batter. I have a formula that I use for it. And guys, next is cocoa powder. These two things are cocoa powder. However, one is darker and the other is lighter. Whenever you are buying, pay attention. The darker one gives better results. So guys, this is my melted butter. I use melted butter for some recipe. This is me showing you how you can melt your butter. Don't cook your butter to become light as oil. Next is my coconut chips. These coconut chips are homemade. I made it by myself for my coconut cakes. Bye.